Hello, students. How are you all? Dear children, for class 11th, I always send my videos so that the explanation of chapters could become easier to you. Before this, also, I have sent videos to you, and today again, I thought of making a video of a new chapter for you. And the chapter is The Birth. This is a very beautiful and emotional story which makes us to understand that how sometimes being known and unknown on the basis of humanity, on the ground of our profession, on the relations which we are living together, how we are bounded together. We are living into a family. The bond of a family is due to the attachment which we have with each other, due to the relations which we share with each other. But sometimes, even when we are unknown to each other, we become bound together with some relations. How we're going to study into this chapter. Birth. The name of the chapter itself talks about that we're going to describe and discuss about birth of a child into the chapter. In this chapter, birth, there is a description of a family, Mr. and Mrs. Margon. Mr. and Mrs. Margon have lived a long life together. It's been almost 18 years of their marriage, but still, they are waiting for a happiness in the life, and that is blessing of a child. And finally, now, Mrs. Margon is expecting a child. Joy Margon, the husband, is very much worried that now, anytime, as Mrs. Margon may need the help of a doctor. Joy Morgan is working into a company. He lives a very moderate and a simple life. There are just few members which are shown into his family. Joy Margon, his wife, Mrs. Margon, and the mother of Mrs. Margon. 3 members have been described into the family. Joy Margon is worried today, is anxious that what should he do into such situation, and he want to find out the actual situation of the patient because Mrs. Margon is now into the severe pains and she wants the doctor to visit him. It's almost midnight. Joy Margon has gone out to the doctor's home because there is no other way out. So he wanted to speak to the doctor so that he could request him to come and visit his wife. It's almost midnight. He's standing outside the door of the doctor, but he found that the door was locked. That means the doctor would have gone somewhere. He's not there in the house. Joy had no other option, so he decided to stand there and wait for the doctor to come. Now he's walking up and down in the pavement, waiting for him anxiously. And every moment which is passing by of this midnight is bringing pain, is bringing sacrifice, is bringing insecurity in the mind of Joy Margon. Now, let us talk on the other hand about the doctor. The doctor today is worried about something. He's busy into his own personal life. He's thinking something about his own life. You know, sometimes we are so bound into relations that we forget that though they are professionals, but they have their personal life also. We always expect a doctor, a police officer, a teacher to perform their duties well within time, without making any mistake, and their sincerity is to be very much depleted into the work which they are doing, right? But on the other hand, we forget sometime that they have a personal life too. They also have a family, they also have their children, they also have the life partners with them, their parents' responsibilities on them. Sometimes even they become little insecure about their families, and even it becomes difficult for them to manage between the two, the family and profession together. Somehow, even the doctor was feeling the same today. Doctor, who is in love with a girl, has gone to meet her today. But because after a conversation with that girl, he found that somehow it has become difficult for them to live into this relation for a long. And on the other hand, he has two big examples into his mind of two of his friends who are not living a successful married life. One of them has already got divorced, they are living a separate life, and the other friend of him who was in deeply love with the girl, and the girl has denied to marry him. So these two friends of him have got a little weird experience of their love relationship. This doctor is worried that will he be able to carry a good relation with his loved one? Will he be able to make a good couple with each other? Will they be able to spend a good life? He's worried. And when he's worried about all this, he's little puzzled, his thoughts are muddled, he's into some severe thoughts, and he's just thinking and thinking about that personal life. He's While thinking all this, he found himself little stagnant, and that is why he is today not into his mood of profession, his thought of being very liberal to the patient. He is not in mood of resting. He's wandering, and around midnight, he has come with that heavy heart to his home. And suddenly he saw that somebody is standing and waiting for him. So when he came, he's coming with a heavy heart, with the little muddled thoughts, with little puzzled into his personal life. Right? On the other hand, Joy Margon, who's anxiously waiting for him. It's been long around an hour he's waiting for him standing in front of his house. Moving up and down, is just thinking about him. When they meet each other, Joy Margon requested him and described him the condition of his wife. He told him that my wife is in pain and she needs your help. You need to visit her. And you will not believe that doctor has not taken even a minute to think back. He very politely answered and said that don't worry, I will come accompany you. Just let me fetch my bag from inside. He opened the lock of the door, went inside, he bought his bag. He has a bag because he need to carry some instruments to check up, some medicines, right? So he kept that bag he bought in that bag, he carried it, and he moved forward. What does it shows? It shows that how sometimes we are dutiful towards our profession. There may be anything into the personal life of ours, but profession does not allow to mix both. And that is why doctor has done his duty towards his patient. He has not thought of the midnight, he's not thought of his personal affairs, he's just worried about the patient. And he followed the doctor, followed the Joy Margon, and now both of them are moving towards the house of Joy Margon. And finally, now they have reached in front of their house. Now, Joy Morgan said to doctor that, sir, please go and check my wife. She is upstairs into her room. He said, you also come? He said, no, sir. I want to wait. I'm standing. You go and do. What does it shows? It shows the belief and faith which he has shown towards the doctor that whatever he's going to do will be better. And on the other hand, it also shows that how delighted today Joy Morgan is. Now what happened next? We'll continue in the next video. Thank you, children.